What you can also do is add in images inside of a video track inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, I'm just going to go around over here, expand my timeline, and I'm going to right click and choose new video track, and you can see a new video track pops up right here. So you can go around right here, and in this video track, I'm going to add in some images. And to do that, you can go to the file menu, and then you can go around into import, and here you can see video images as clips is an option. So if I were to select this, I can go around and select out a source file right here, click open, and you can go around and select an existing video track or keep it in a video track right here. So if you want to, let's say for example, keep something in the background of the storyboard scene or so forth, then that is something that you can do. So here you can see that now instead of the image being in the storyboard panel, now it is in the video track, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And then what you can do with this is you can work around with this like a video right here. You can also go around over here onto different settings right here onto the tool properties, and you can go around like rotate this and so forth, as you can see right here. And that is how you can import out images inside of video track inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.